हर साल वर्ल्ड में कुछ ना कुछ नया होता रहता है। उनमें से कुछ अच्छा तो कुछ बुरा, मगर हर साल हमारी यादों में कुछ ना कुछ तो रह ही जाता है। अगर 2021 की बात करें तो हमें बहुत कुछ नया मिला और हमने बहुत कुछ खोया भी। चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं कुछ अच्छाइयों से। An African woman, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, made history in March by becoming the first African and the first woman to serve as Director General of the World Trade Organization. She was also the first woman to serve as a finance minister in her native Nigeria, a position she held twice. वैसे हमारी इंडियन वुमेन भी कुछ कम नहीं थे इस साल। Saik Home Mirabai Channu, the 27 years old girl, won silver in weightlifting to open the medal account for India in Tokyo Olympics. And in this Olympic, India made another history. Neeraj Chopra, the 24-year-old boy, or I should say the 24-year-old golden boy from Haryana, creates history by winning the gold medal in javelin throw. At the same time, Chandigarh's Harnas Sandhu, 21 years old, won the Miss Universe 2021 title. She represented India at the 70th Miss Universe 2021, bringing home the crown 2 decades after Lara Datta won the title in 2000. वैसे सिर्फ अर्थ पे ही नहीं, इस साल स्पेस में भी कुछ धमाका हुआ। For the first time ever, a NASA spacecraft touched the sun. Can you imagine? It entered a previously unexplored region of the solar system, the sun's outer atmosphere or corona. The long-awaited milestone, which was reached in April but announced on 14 December, is a major accomplishment for the Parker Solar Probe, a craft that is flying now way too closer to the sun than any mission in the entire history. लेकिन जैसे एक कॉइन के, एक सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं, वैसे अच्छाइयों के साथ कुछ बुराइयां भी आती है। चलिए इनके बारे में भी जान लेते हैं। इन बुराइयों ने भी कहीं ना कहीं हमारे दिमाग और दिल में एक घाव बनाया है। चलिए जानते हैं। वी लॉस्ट रिनोन्ड एस्ट्रोफिजिसिस्ट Tanu Padmanabhan at the age of 64. His research spanned a wide variety of topics in gravitation, structure formation in the universe and quantum gravity. अगर एंटरटेनमेंट दुनिया की बात करें तो द सिनेमैटिक लेजेंड श्री दिलीप कुमार passed away in this year, who enthralled India with Devdas and Mughal-e-Azam. And we also lost another legend of our Indian Defence Forces, General Bipin Rawat, after the Mi-17V helicopter crashed in the southern state of Tamil Nadu. वैसे भी 2020 से कोविड-19 सारा देश में फैल गया एंड 2021 वी फेस द सेकेंड वेव, जिसकी वजह से हमने बहुत सारे लोगों को खो दिया। मगर 2021 में पहली बार इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने कोविड का वैक्सीन चालू किया एंड इंडिया अचीव द लैंडमार्क ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रिंग 100 crore वैक्सीन on October 21st, reflecting the momentous journey and determination to fight against an invisible enemy. और इस साल SARS-CoV-2 के दो और हाईली ट्रांसमिसिबल वेरिएंट हमारे सामने आए, द डेल्टा वेरिएंट एंड द ओमिक्रॉन. Currently, the Omicron variant of the coronavirus has been spreading across the world at a remarkable speed. The variant has been reported in 77 countries and has been spreading faster than any other strain, according to the World Health Organization. कोविड-19 की वजह से पूरा वर्ल्ड परेशान है और इसी वक्त तालिबान, which was waging a long battle against the elected Afghanistan government and security forces, captured the capital city hours after President Ashraf Ghani fled the country. Since the Taliban took over, women have been forced to wear hijab compulsorily, denied education alongside men, and told to stay away from work besides all other restrictions. COVID-19 और तालिबान के अलावा, there was another incident which grabbed headlines during the most of 2021. The farmers' agitation. India's farmers protested against 3 farm acts that were passed by the Parliament of India in September 2020. After a long fight, the Union government decided to repeal the bills, and both houses of Parliament passed the Farm Laws Repeal Bill 2021 on 29th November. और इसी प्रोटेस्ट के दौरान हमने बहुत सारे किसानों को खो दिया। वैसे हम लोग मानते हैं कि लाइटिंग कैंडल्स और दिया कैन रिमूव द नेगेटिविटी, और इस साल उत्तर प्रदेश का अयोध्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट created another world record after over 9 lakh earthen lamps were lit along the banks of river Saryu in the land of Lord Ram on November 3rd. Apart from this, 3 lakh diyas were lit separately at different places in the holy city as part of these Diwali celebrations. So as you see that 2021 was actually a roller coaster ride. It was great for few, it was worse for few, it was mediocre for few, it was no different for. But for every one of us, it was something, isn't it? Let me know in the comment section, how are you gonna remember 2021 as? Maybe from your personal experiences, or maybe from the events I just listed down, or maybe some other events which you, felt made a mark in your life. Until we meet the next time, this is Abhishek signing off. Make sure to hit the like button, share this with, subscribe to the channel if in case you enjoyed this video, and if in case you want to enjoy more videos like this, subscribing will mean a lot. Peace.